Swiss and down here, but that's open too.
Doesn't matter. I'm in. It just jumped the highway. I got